welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make red cabbage juice. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy red cabbage juice once in a week for best results. This red cabbage juice helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. It is very good for your eyesight, reduces stress and eliminates bacteria. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken one red cabbage. We will be using only half of this. Shred the leaves and keep it ready. Chop them into fine pieces like this. Now transfer the red cabbage pieces to a mixer jar. To this add juice of half big lemon. I have about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Then add 1 piece of ginger and 1 cup of water. Grind the ingredients to a very fine paste. Today I have taken a juicer jar like this. Transfer the red cabbage juice to it. Finally add 2 tablespoons of honey and mix it well. Decorate it with a slice of lemon and a delicious and healthy red cabbage juice is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and an immunity boosting drink. So do try this red cabbage juice recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.